How single sign-on actually works. Many people use one login to access multiple systems. You sign in once, and suddenly several apps or services are available. This is called single sign-on. Here is how single sign-on actually works. Authentication is separated from applications. With single sign-on, individual applications do not handle passwords directly. Instead, authentication is handled by a central identity provider. Applications trust this provider to verify users. This separates identity checks from application logic. The user logs in only once. When a user signs in, the identity provider authenticates them. This may involve a password, two-factor authentication, or both. Once authentication is successful, the provider creates proof of identity. This proof can be reused across multiple services. Access is granted using tokens. After login, the identity provider issues a token. This token represents the authenticated user. Applications accept the token instead of asking for a password. As long as the token is valid, access is allowed. Applications do not see passwords. Applications using single sign-on never receive user passwords. They receive only tokens issued by the identity provider. This reduces the risk of password exposure. If an application is compromised, passwords are not leaked. Sessions are shared securely. Single sign-on works by sharing session information securely. The identity provider tracks login state. Applications rely on that shared state instead of creating their own. Logging out clears or invalidates this shared session. Why single sign-on improves security? Centralized authentication allows better control. Security policies can be enforced in one place. Access can be revoked across all services at once. This makes identity management simpler and more consistent. Closing single sign-on reduces repeated logins by centralizing authentication. It is designed to improve usability without weakening security. That is how single sign-on actually works.